Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Family Dollar using the Family Dollar mobile application. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. First of all, download the Family Dollar application from your App Store or your Play Store and launch it open. This will be the first interface of Family Dollar application. In order to create a new account, tap on the sign up button in orange at the bottom right hand corner. Now, enter your first name, your last name, and other information asked in the display. Start off by typing in your first name and then your last name. Enter your zip code on the next field. On the next field, type in the phone number. Enter an email address for yourself where it says email, and then create a strong password to protect your account. While creating your password, make sure to contain at least 8 characters long, uppercase letters, number, and a special character. After typing in a strong password, go to the bottom of the screen, and if you want to receive news and promotion emails from Family Dollars, tap on this first box. If you don't want to receive it, leave it unchecked. And then agree to the privacy policy, terms and conditions, and smart coupon terms and conditions of the platform by tapping on the second box. If you are a Family Dollar employee, make sure to check the last box as well and enter your employee ID. If not, leave the box unchecked and click on Create Account. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and verify your mobile number. Enter the verification code sent to your mobile number in the text boxes and tap on Verify. Once you verify your account, you will be able to end up in the main homepage for Family Dollar, which means you've successfully created an account for yourself. So that's how easy it is to create an account for Family Dollar. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.